A 3.5-liter V6 engine pairs with a sophisticated 7-speed automatic transmission, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. All-wheel drive keeps this model firmly attached to the road surface. Infiniti infused the interior with top-shelf amenities such as leather upholstery, power front seats, a built-in garage door transmitter, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, heated seats, heated door mirrors, and a split-folding rear seat. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Premium sound drives 11 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Take assurance in side curtain airbags, providing head protection in the event of a severe collision. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.